this is daytime in Hong Kong and I'm vlogging again with Samsung S10 Plus. So let's go vlogging during daytime and do an extensive camera test. Hyperlapse actually heavily crops because I think it's trying to stabilize the whole image video. So as you guys know that there is steady shot available at the back camera, not at the front camera. Steady shot is amazing, but it is at 1080p. Front-facing camera does not have steady shot available. However, when you just hand hold it and walk steadily, the autofocus is very good and focuses on the face. So it is definitely usable as a vlogging tool. So let's see in wide angle how far I can go back, because then you can also capture a wider environment. At about 3 meters, actually the selfie, the waving selfie worked fine. That's definitely one of my favorite functions of the camera app so far. So the maximum is actually 10 times zoom. And look, you can actually get a pretty clear shot of the top of the IFC2 tower. And for video, it's also same, but yes, it is rather noisy. One thing I have to say, super steady mode does not allow zoom. Live focus menu inside the camera app. It is brilliant. It recognizes what is the face, just like in the screen right now. And then you can have different effects at the blurred background. These are available only on the pictures, but it is actually great. See you! And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.